Dear students, today again we are continuing the same lesson, the 100 dresses part 1. And let's start with the reading part, the portion which is being left. If only Peggy would decide of her own accord to stop having fun with Wanda. Oh well. Maddie ran her hand through her short blonde hair as though to push the uncomfortable thoughts away. So what do you understand by blonde hair? Blonde hair is bit of light colored hair, like it is golden brown. What difference did it make? Slowly Maddie tore into bits and the note she had started. She was Peggy's best friend, and Peggy was the best liked girl in the whole room. Peggy could not possibly do anything that was really wrong, she thought. As for Wanda, she was just some girl who lived up on Boggins Heights and stood alone in the schoolyard. She scarcely ever said anything to anybody. The only time she talked was in the schoolyard about her 100 dresses. Maddie remembered her telling about one of her dresses, pale blue and colored trimmings, and she remembered another that was brilliant jungle green with a red sash. You understand what is a sash? Sash is a piece of cloth which is neatly stitched and which is put across from the shoulder to the waist. You'd look like a Christmas tree in that, the girls had said in pretended admiration. So you understand what is pretended admiration? Pretended is not real, which is fake, which you pose to do. Thinking about Wanda and her 100 dresses all lined up in the closet, Maddie began to wonder who was going to win the drawing and coloring contest. For girls, this contest consisted of designing dresses, and for boys, of designing motorboats. Probably Peggy would win the girls' medal. Peggy drew better than anyone else in the room. At least, that's what everybody thought. She could copy a picture of magazine or small film star's head so that you could also almost tell who it was. Oh, Maddie was sure Peggy would win. Well, tomorrow the teacher was going to announce the winners. Then they would know. The next day, it was drizzling. So I hope you understand what is drizzling. Drizzling is a very light rain when the raindrops fall on the earth. Maddie and Peggy hurried to school under Peggy's umbrella. Naturally, on a day like this, they didn't wait for Wanda Petronsky on the corner of Oliver Street, the street that far, far away under the railroad tracks and up the hill led to Boggins Heights. Anyway, they weren't taking chances on being late today because today was important. Do you think Miss Mason will announce the winners today? Asked Peggy. So you understood why this day was very important for them, because the teacher, Miss Mason, would announce the winners for that day. Oh, I hope so. The minute we get in, said Maddie. Of course, you will win, Peg. Hope so, said Peggy eagerly. The minute they entered the classroom, they stopped short and gasped. There were drawings all over the room, on every edge and windowsill, dazzling colors and brilliant, lavish designs, all drawn on the great sheets of wrapping paper. So you understand what is lavish? Which is very grand, which is very class apart. That is known as lavish. There must have been 100 of them all lined up, and there were hundreds of dresses. These must be the drawings for the contest. They were. Everybody stopped and whistled or murmured admiringly. So they were beautiful dresses, like they were designed so beautifully that they were admired by all. They were appreciated by all. As soon as the class had assembled, Miss Mason announced the winners. Jack Beggles had won for the boys, she said, and his design for an outboard motor was on exhibition in room 12, along with the sketches by all the other boys. As for the girls, she said, although just one or two sketches were submitted by most, one girl and room 13 should be proud of her. This is one girl actually who drew. What did she draw? She drew 100 dresses, that is 100 designs, all different and all beautiful. In the opinion of the judges, any one of the drawings is worthy of winning the prize. I'm very happy to say that Wanda Petronsky is the winner of the girls' medal. So, students, you've understood till here that Wanda Petronsky won the medal and she was the winner, and for the girls. Why? Because she could design 100 dresses and she was very laborious and she was very hardworking girl, and she used to make these 100 designs during her you can say the luxury period, the time when she had at home. So for today it's this much only, students. You read at home and find out the new words, make the sentences, and write a brief summary till which we have studied. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.